Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make unlimited international calls from Canada. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify, if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk, because I have not analyzed the app about other aspects. So guys, there is a way. The way is to install an app. In front of you, you see that I have installed Text Now app. So how it works is, like, using this app, you can see if I click on call, within Canada I can make unlimited calls. Of course it's gonna work on your Wi-Fi and data, so for data you have to pay, no doubt, but yes, you can connect to uh, hotspots, public Wi-Fi's, and make calls. That is possible. And thing is that if you want to call some other country, just select, let's say, India. So it's gonna show the Indian calling rate 1.9 cents. But now a question comes to your mind, is it really free if it's calling 1.9? I would show you how. So if you tap on this and if you go to my wallet, you see your balance. If you want to earn more balance, just click on earn credits by watching a video, and then it's gonna then you can watch a video, earn the credit, and that credit you can use towards making international calls. It's very simple in this aspect. So thanks for watching, and I hope you're gonna like this video.